Monday! Back on the Mk1. I've finally sorted everything out and I've got a little bit of time. Yeah, sorry about missing Friday's video. I know you guys don't care to a certain extent, you know, real life gets in the way, so I do appreciate your patience on that. But obviously I'll try and make an effort, I'll try and do it every night, so that's what I'll keep trying to do. But anyway, we're back now, it's Monday. Couple of parts have arrived. I'll shut that door in a minute, it's blowing around. What I want to do this one is we've got to finish off sealing the roof. So we've got some HB body sealant somewhere, panel sealant, and we get that done. And then we can work out what we're doing about all this bloody masking that's come off. I think what's happened is not only the storm, wind blew through the garage, but also the dampness has caused all the masking tape to sort of lose its stickiness. So we may end up bloody masking tape with a load of stuff back up again. But yeah. Anyway, a couple of little parts to show you. I've got a couple of boxes around here. I've still got a few exhausts to still post off, the silencers. So they're getting in my way as well, but they'll hopefully be gone in the next couple of days. Got to pack them up over the weekend. But yeah, let's show you the parts that have arrived. Hey, here we go. Look at this bad boy. Look at the bore on that. Yeah, standard mini exhaust from Mini Spares. Just the off-the-shelf steel one, you know. Again, next owner can put a nice stainless steel one if they want to, but this will be fine to start with. Yeah, fine for a 998. We haven't done too much work on the engine. Originally, I think these are supposed to be one piece all the way along. I think that's the purists will say. But Mini Spares do them in two halves, obviously for easy to postage, and then you've just got another clamp. But yeah, so excellent. I think we just need some. Going to need some rubber mounts, aren't we? Just some cotton reel ones to mount the exhaust. Must remember to get some of them. Just for comparison, this is a Play Mini stainless steel large bore link pipe. So yeah, you can see the difference. Anyway, yeah, we've got an exhaust. Ordered some wheel bearings as well, so I've got them. I've got to post them to my dad now. Why I didn't just easily directly to him because he'd been waiting for them. But anyway, so yeah, all the hubs should be all done soon. He's done the brake masters, so he's just waiting for me to send them all down. But yeah, cool. Just before I do any seam sealing, I just want to run along here with a wire brush. There's a couple of little bits of paint and stuff I just want to fleck off that didn't get done earlier. So yeah, just run along there, and then we can get the compressor on, blow a load of air out the gutter, and then sealant gun. Okay, got our airline. I won't video all of it. Oh, look, see. Evil. So we'll just do this side for a second. Got our HB body sealant. The car just stopped there for some reason. Because they'd like to. Yeah, you just stop there. I'm only trying to film for YouTube. Anyway, might just. I don't know, I was thinking of cutting the slice in the corner of this, but yeah, we're going to do that. Slice the end of this tube off. Give it a bit of an angle. Not going to go too mad. I'll do donkey. And then yeah, we'll put something in here just to try and stop the rainwater getting inside in between these two, because they do rust badly. That's what you always have to replace them. Some people just take them off because obviously that's what they used to do in the 70s, because they used to just rust. But yeah. And then we can just go along with a bit of a tissue or rag afterwards, get the bulk of it off. Using my full concentration, that's why I'm not talking. Lovely. Yeah, I'll just go along that and wipe a lot of that off. It dries quite solid, so you can break it off afterwards anyway, you know, sand it. It's not flexible, this stuff. I was licking different fingers when you saw me do that. Don't think I was, because someone mentioned that last time. Yeah, don't lick this stuff, or eat it even. Bad digits, I should have said. Yeah, for some reason my phone just suddenly got full. So I'm struggling with memory on this phone, and I need to clean some stuff off it. Anyway, let's go around the rest of the gutter. Not sure why phone's having a paddy, but yeah, YouTube app was using 6 gig. No way of deleting the documents as far as I could see, so I've just had to delete the app for now. So yeah, that's the roof sealed, as good as I think. Alright. Do our best, can we, as always? Anyway, get back to blocking this side. I've just been doing a bit of other sanding here and there, little spots. But yeah, let's just do a bit more sanding for now, while we've got a bit of time. Alrighty, well, that'll be it for today. An hour and a half gone of just sanding and sealing, and oh, I can't wait for this to be in colour. But you've got to really try my patience not to actually rush it too much. You know, as I said, never going to be as good as a professional. Not with the skills I have. You know, you've got to keep painting every day to become a professional at anything. I think somebody said somewhere something about to become a professional you need to do 10,000 hours of whatever that profession is before you become a professional. Okay, not guaranteed either, but yeah, I ain't got 10,000 hours to become a painter, that's for sure. So anyway, yeah, off around some friends for some food and some Die Hard, and yeah, so yes, that's good. Got my last few exhauster posts, got that exhauster fit now. Need to do the masking up again, now it's falling down. Yeah, so hopefully everyone's glad I'm back in the Mark 1. And yeah, we need to try and do a few good weeks on it. Weather's not looking good for next week, but we just got to do the much prep as we can if we can get it in prime in the next week or so, next 2 weeks. I was hoping to get it painted at the beginning of March. Obviously the beginning of March is gone. Let's hope we can try and get it painted by the end of March. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? And then we've got all of April and a bit of May to get it, the last few things bolted on and windscreens in and stuff ready for London to Brighton. And see if we can find this a new home, if anybody wants it. Anyway, that'll do for today. Sorry if it's a short video, but at least it is a Mark 1 video. And yeah, hopefully more to come. Not even got a clue for tea tonight. Surprise me, tell me what you're having. Alright, cheers guys, bye.